Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4. And on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to go over how you would be able to get your gear selection into neutral, or to bypass what is called the park safety switch, in case you need to tow your vehicle or push it off the road because it's locked out and you're not able to do it otherwise. So there's a little cover here. We just need to pop that off. You can use a screwdriver. Set that aside. And then you just take the same screwdriver and you insert it in. And then that way you're able to put the car into neutral so that you can be able to push the car out of the road or get it towed up onto for the tow truck, to be able to get it to the shop if you need to fix it, or say you lost the key and you need to move the vehicle out of the way. That would be how you release it. And once it's released, of course, it can go through all the gear selection, but once it goes back up in, it won't come back unless you push the tab in again, and then you can be able to manually release it. You can put your cover back in, get the vehicle fixed, or once the vehicle's fixed, put your cover back on, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.